I spent about a year or two, like really sort of when I look back at it, damaging my image, right? Like having sort of making poor choices, and so I became interested in like restoring my image, and so I became interested in making self-portraits.
How would you damage your image?
Well, it mightn't be apparent to anybody else, but for me, just by not recognizing that I'm visible, and so being careless or not being conscious of what might be visible to other people, as much as would be required for sort of maintaining or projecting something useful or inspiring or even neutral.
And how does this retrieve it?
Well, so the thing about your image is that it's just pictures. It's just what people can see of you, right? So these are images that I've created of myself. These are images of me that are visible, and I have sort of directed them or like shaped what they project.
And why you chose that form, that particular look and feel that has?
So the head itself,
which could be kind of metal or rubber.
Well, this form is actually the default form of the program, of the software. So this is the untreated mesh, right? Mm-hmm. And so I just basically sculpted digitally an image of my head that didn't have much expression, or it's kind of a neutral expression. But when I add all these different elements to them, they kind of influence what it looks like.
But what's the intention, since this is about retrieving?
The intention is maybe collecting attractive references. So I have paired the image of myself with the images of things that I am attracted to and things that I find harmonious and inspiring. And I have explored how the two things could work together. Sometimes I think sometimes the results are kind of grotesque or violent. Like, I think some of them are kind of grotesque and some of them are kind of violent, but some of them are also kind of sort of harmonious or peaceful or...
What made you choose the harmonious and what made you choose the violent?
I think...
The mood at the moment?
Discovering the possibility of the harmony or discovering the possibility of the violence, because they're both attractive sometimes. So like when I discovered I could like, so alright, if I were to pose for a picture, I might pose next to something. Like right now I'm next to all these images. I might choose to pose next to some plants that I like or whatever. But what this software allows me to do, or this technique allows me to do, is to kind of intersect the image of myself with the images of other things that I like. So I don't have to be separate from them. I can be a thing that is also those things. So I might model a plant that I found that I find attractive, and then I can see how I can cause that plant to interact with this image of myself and see what I get. And I will find a way to make something that surprises me or that excites me. So I get to see an image of myself that didn't exist before and that I could never imagine before. So it's a discovery of something, right?
What does your art mean to you?
Oh, it's like opportunities to interact with myself and other people and to do things, and it activates my life. It is a thing that I find that like, it's a thing I've found to do that is the best thing to do, because it activates my life, it moves me forward, it causes me to be involved in moments like this. instances of interaction between me and other people, and also between me and me. And it's basically the way I interact with the world. So right now, it's about directing my own image, creating avatars of myself that I find inspiring or interesting. In other moments, it was documenting other people or investigating techniques or skills. It can be different at different times. It means different things at different times, but it's always about, I think, exploration and discovery and interaction and possibility and creating instances for like life to have more complexity and more going on.
And what's next? Now that you retreat.
I think to build, to just play and like see what else can happen. So these are 3D images and I've printed them here on 2D surfaces, but they can be exported to be printed in 3 dimensions. And so I'm going to explore, see what that can do. But
As on a 3D printer.
As on a 3D printer. And also see where it goes, because I also believe that it kind of has its own trajectory or its own, like, what I'm saying is that I'm not totally directing this thing. I'm sort of being directed by it. I'm sort of like, it suggests, as I play with it, it suggests directions I can go in and things I can do. And I try to remain open to playing with it and doing things that I find interesting. So I'm just gonna keep playing with it.
Would you have kept it this size? Would you have kept the images this size if you were exhibited elsewhere with a much bigger space?
The reason
the space influence.
The discussion about the collaboration for this show influenced the size. So when Camille and I met, also you are the one that caused this interaction to happen, because you had suggested that we have a show at this other space, which became unavailable. And so when we met to talk about what we would do, Camille showed me her paintings. And so when we decided to do something together, it seemed to make sense to try and do something around that size, around the size of her painting, so that we could sort of visually match each other. And we were making self-portraits anyway, so the collaboration would inform the size in the space. And then also the space is small as well. So there are small paintings and it's a small space. It makes sense to make smaller prints.